they are not tolerating this government, and they are not tolerating the leadership, my leadership, because this government is implemented all guarantee schemes, and these guarantee schemes are only for poor people of all communities, all religions. So that is why this government is against social justice, against the poor people, against our guarantees.
Central government.
Central government, yes. Central government is against these guarantees, and BJP is totally against.
Yeah.
Now TDS is also joined.
Yeah.
So with the conspiracy of central government, BJP, JDS, and local leaders of Karnataka, they are doing this. And I will fight it out legally in a court of law, because it is an illegal sanction given by the governor, who is a puppet of the central government.
They are constantly asking for your resignation. What is the status?
See, there is no prima facie case against me or against anybody, and the BJP has no moral right to ask my resignation. Okay. It is because the governor is biased towards me. It's because there is a application pending before the governor of Kumaraswamy. In fact, Lokayukta asked a sanction from the governor in Kumaraswamy's case.
Right.
That sanction has not been given so far.
Right.
And in Jolle's case, Srimati Jolle.
So now so many.
It is the decision taken by governor. He has no authority, he has no jurisdiction. It is totally unconstitutional. So we will fight it out legally.
Thank you, sir.